Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. And in this instalment, we have this set of Rolson long picks. So we have 6 in total, all various different ends. So let's start with the hook end first, or half round as they call it. Fairly long. It is about 10 inches, I believe. Got a nice good half turn, good for hooking certain things out. We also have a straight one. It's a nice straight forward pick. Comes in handy for getting those O-rings and flicking them off. We also have a swan neck one, which is quite nice. It's got a 40 degree and then a 45, I believe. And then we have just a regular old swan neck. Nice good steady hook, as you can see there. You also have a right angle one, which is probably the one I use the most so far. It has got a bit of damage on the end there, but I've hooked it on and pulled it out. Use this to pull a copper injector washer out of a down from the hole. And then we have another swan neck with a quite funky looking end. So it sort of bends in a couple of ways. So it really helps you get in those tight spots and pluck them out. We use these for all sorts of different things really. Removing O-rings, generally help with hose removals. Sometimes and they work really well for like stubborn connectors. So if you're down there and you need to get a stubborn connector, you can. So my final thoughts on these picks. They're really quite handy. As I've said, I've used them for a variety of different things. This one saved my bacon when I dropped a seal off a thing down the injector hole, as I mentioned earlier. The ones with these sort of funny angles are great for like hooking under things and just prying them off. Really work well for fuel line connectors. Just push it, give you a bit of extra help with that. Yeah, overall, I'm really pleased with them. If you need a set of long picks, I highly recommend this set. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.